So today I'm going to show you our second box from Misfits Market. Everything that's inside. Here's everything that came in our box. 6 pears, perfect for our family of 6. 4 yellow squash that are decent size. 2 huge zucchinis. The potatoes are a little disappointing. That's like enough for one person, not a family size. The squash, spaghetti squash. 2 gorgeous looking grapefruits, some mini cucumbers, giant head of cabbage, 3 big yellow onions, 4 good sized yellow beets, 2 mangoes, which I'm looking forward to, a butternut squash that needs some cleanup. I cannot remember what this root is. I'm going to have to go back and look. Then I have 4 tomatoes for slicing, and then my 2 things that I added on that weren't part of the box was a thing of strawberries and these dark chocolate cup dipped swaffle cookies that are certified gluten-free. They were supposed to be in my last box and they didn't show up, so this time I tried again, and thankfully everything came quite well.